Hello there, live date videos of a new job this month. So from the 2nd of September, I started working at a travel magazine called Business Traveler. It took me a while to figure that what I wanted all along really did happen to me, and I just need to commit and give it my all in all spheres of life. And it's the first newsletter.
So in this country, brand Garnier.
And honestly, I've come here for a business meeting with Dad before. So it's so funny that I'm actually writing about this property tomorrow in my article, and I'm here for an event. This is insane.
My goodness.
Beautiful packaging, no?
It's really fantastic box here.
Meera
Organ products, yeah?
Yeah. Cannot believe it's officially my first day of going to work, and I feel super cool right now. I published 2 stories today, and tomorrow we're gonna get started on print. So excited! I'm having Ganpati to work today. Day 2 over. I finished my 2 stories for the day and the 2 stories for tomorrow, so I don't have to work at home tonight or tomorrow in the morning, so I can focus on print.
बस अभी मूड नहीं हम लोग को सोने दो और तुम भी सो जाओ.
The event is going to be tomorrow, which is 5th September at ITC Parel.
We have 2 things to tackle. We have an event today after we get to work. We just got done with lunch working on my web story for tomorrow, because I also have to sit and do a newsletter, and I have an event to go to. Keeping that in mind, let's get to work.
And she was teaching you something. In
Right.
her presence, she did not act like this. जब वो थी तब उसका ऐसा behavior नहीं था, right?
Yeah. Then what's the difference between Google and a magazine if you're writing that? Which movie? This is from ये जवानी दीवानी. मैं कल उसका behind the scenes making देख रही थी TV पे. In my office, she just said, "Maze ka call mat utha, just enjoy the event," and I think that just meant the whole world to me. So I'm here at the ITC brand. Literally tomorrow in my article for Monday, and the next plan of action is to find the ballroom and.
Why so? Just to pick, that's what we are able to achieve through the RMI centers. But even more importantly, Garnier is a house of innovation. Launching many new categories and new concepts and new gestures. #1 serum worldwide and the #1 vitamin C. Garnier's entry into the world of sun care. You take out your cameras and point to the sun there.
sunscreen which has says broad spectrum to apply your makeup as they have demonstrated. And once you reach your destination and you feel that if you can afford the luxury of redoing it,
on top of the beaker like this. The third part of the experiment is this UV torch. We learned all of you. Once you apply sunscreen, you see night. If you need any help, please spray. So that
Mom gave me her pendant to wear today to work, so I'm super happy about that because I don't, but yeah. आज तो हद ही हो गई. It was my life's first newsletter. There were bound to be errors, so I'm not blaming myself and being too harsh. But speaking of which, I have uploaded it once, okay, with the September ka cover issue and the August ka date, not realizing that the date has to be changed and I have to make that September. Second time में मैंने date check किया, but I forgot that the cover image has to be changed. No one noticed that because it's down below and everything. But I also forgot to remove an ad. There's just so much. I have become a tech person now. Add subscribers and everything on an Excel. दिमाग मतलब भाई. Back to being the person who cannot stop capturing the sunset, cannot help but miss this time on the terrace because look at how beautiful the clouds look, so seamless with the night sky. I can see the moon right here and it's just impeccable, and how beautiful the dawn of sun looks like. And I just cannot, I don't ever want to go back to being a person who doesn't appreciate this. I don't know if you can tell, but I can see the clouds behind me literally move towards me at this point. I officially finished 2 weeks, that is 13 days actually at office, and I feel like I've learned a lot. Today's newsletter was seamlessly sent, and yeah, I'm super happy about that.
होम्योपैथिक दवाई लेके सो जाओ.
That we said goodbye too soon.